You are so excited. You just found your dream home and it's right on the river. You can't wait to wake up each morning to that beautiful view. But then you're told you need flood insurance. This is Jess Preventure here, and on today's Real Pro Tips, we're talking about flood insurance. Okay, so the example I just mentioned is a little bit obvious. When you're purchasing waterfront property, you're likely going to be required to have flood insurance. But what is surprising is how many properties are not so obvious. So let's talk about how this works. First, flood insurance is typically required by the mortgage lender. If you're buying a property in cash, then flood insurance is sort of at your discretion. But when a lender is financing the property, they need to protect their asset, and under certain circumstances, they will require that the homeowner pay for flood insurance. Typically, as you're going through the financing process, the lender will pull what is called a flood certificate. And this is a document that certifies whether a property is located within a flood zone based on FEMA flood maps. And you might be asking yourself, but doesn't that mean I won't know before I put in an offer? And that's totally true. But I don't want you to worry, because Section 15 of the New Hampshire Purchase and Sales Agreement gives buyers a protected due diligence period, and verifying the availability and cost of flood insurance is stated as part of that process. It is imperative, though, that it's done within the allotted time period. So here's another tricky part. The FEMA flood maps change often. So it could be that a property was not within a flood zone when it was initially purchased, but now it is, and so the new buyers have to have insurance, or vice versa. Furthermore, just like most insurances, the premiums can vary substantially from property to property and buyer to buyer. The truth is, flood insurance can be financially prohibitive and make your new waterfront property unrealistic. The bottom line is, be aware that flood insurance is a thing, and ensure that you are meeting all the deadlines necessary when determining if this property is right for you.